Welcome back to the Antique Clock Shop. In this video, I'm showing you an antique Swiss-made Hunter-style cuckoo clock. The interesting thing I found about this clock is, get the back off here. It has a count wheel in it. I've never seen them with a count wheel. So I'll get it over to the workbench and take it apart. We're going to have to replace the bellows, or they need replaced. They're gone, but it works. Without, I didn't have to do nothing to it, but it still needs taken apart, and the bellows need fixed, and got to clean everything up and make it look new again. So let's get it to the workbench. Okay, we got it over here on the bench, and we're getting ready to start taking it apart. Take this front piece off, the deer head. Okay, get that out of the way. Now let's get these hands off. Looks like I'll have to put some new hands on here. These seem better days here. Kind of stuck on there. Oh, double one. I've never seen that before. Usually it's just one. Looks like the doors are going to need a little work. We can fix that. It's a pretty big clock. We're about 7.5 across. About 12 inches tall. It's a lot bigger than the last one I worked on. Flip her over. Out of the way. This is a Swiss-made one. This is interesting the way they put this one together. I've never seen a count wheel like this on a cuckoo clock. I thought that was pretty neat. As you can see, the bellows, we're going to have to repair those. And we'll have to get a bird. The bird's missing. Now, grab a picture. Take a picture that way I know how these wires go back in there. Those can get a bit tricky. Okay, I'm going to take these apart. It's falling apart there. Okay. Well, it fell off. Take this one out. That screw's in there pretty tight. It's not. That's good. It means that it's not going to strip out. Let's make sure there's not another screw. Nope. Okay. And wiggle it out of there. There we go. There's one. There's two. Oh, that one fell apart too. Alright, okay, let's get these chains out of the way. Let's take the S-hook off. This one's a lot bigger than the little one I did. This has got a lot more room in it. All right. Chain number one. Chain number two. Uh-oh, wrong one. This one. There we go. Got the caught right there. There we go. Okay. And this one's going to be tight. It's going to be hard to get out. Maybe. Got it. Get that link off there. All right. There we go. Chain number three. All right. Here's the little screws to get that thing out with. Okay. Yeah, this one's got a music box in it. It's got a little guy sitting up on the wire on the mechanism here. He swings out when the music box plays. Make sure nothing's hooked up to that music box. Yeah, there's a wire there. Oh no, that's not hooked up to it. I don't think anyway. Oh, I see. It goes in by a gear. So this should lift out. Maybe. I guess I do have to take that music box out. It's not going to lift out. Oh, that's going to be tricky. Oh, it's got screws on the back side. Oh, that makes it a little easier. What are you doing, Molly? A little camera ham here. You can see my my dog over here. There's that. Now the movement should pull out of there. Oh, it's still the little guy's hooked to the door. So I gotta flip him over. Hold on to that movement. Let's see. There we go. Let's see if I can get that wire to pull out. Door off. Let's see. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now he should pull out. Oh, these things are holding me up here. So I can stand him up there and see if I can get these untied. I just have to cut them and put new ones in. There we go. Well, I see some plastic pieces in here, so I'm thinking it's from the 1960s. Interesting movement, though. Well, we'll get her over to the sonic cleaner and get it cleaned up and get it working. Well, it was working to begin with, but we'll get it cleaned up so it works better. And then we'll do some work on the case. I got to fix the doors and get her back into shape here. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.